Hi, today let's continue discussing thesis. And once again, a thesis is a concise statement that expresses a main idea or a central argument of an essay or a paper. There are various types of essays, and therefore there are also various types of thesis. Last time we talked about argumentative essay, and let's have another example of that. An argumentative thesis provides a position and list down the reasons why we should support that position. So here is an example. School uniforms should be mandatory in all public schools. So that's the position. Because they promote equality, reduce distractions, and improve student discipline. 3. Supporting details to prove the argument or to support the argument. These thesis takes a clear stance on a debatable issue and list the reason the essay will elaborate on. So this is an argumentative thesis. But there are other types of essays like an expository thesis. An expository essay simply explains or exposes a particular fact, process, phenomenon, or occurrence. So here's an example. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into energy. This thesis explains a fact or process